Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in and switch workspaces in Notion, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into Notion, open your web browser. Type in the URL www.notion.so. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will see options to log in using an email address, Google account, or Apple account. Select your preferred login method. If you choose to log in with email, enter your email address and click Continue. Check your email for a login link from Notion. Click the link in your email to access your account. If you opted for Google or Apple, follow the prompts to complete the login process. Once logged in, you'll see your Notion dashboard. To switch workspaces, locate your workspace name at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the workspace name drop-down. A list of your available workspaces will appear. Select the desired workspace from the list. Notion will automatically switch to the chosen workspace. You can now navigate and manage your notes and projects within that workspace. If you need to switch back, simply repeat the process of clicking on the workspace name. This ensures you can easily move between different projects and environments in Notion. You have now successfully logged in and switched workspaces in Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.